Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, working on a Buick Enclave, working with a mighty fine customer. How you doing, sir?
Excellent. How you doing?
I'm doing good, and yourself. And what caused you to call our company?
A couple of days ago, my wife was out working. She noticed the AC was off. She came straight home and said, "Baby, the AC off." And I Googled best mobile mechanic. D757 mobile mechanic man came up. Booked an appointment online. He here today. The air conditioner is blowing good. Happy life, happy wife.
Happy life, happy wife. You hear that, everybody? That's a direct message. Also, have you ever used this before?
Yes, this is my second time using you guys.
And what made you call us back?
Y'all did an excellent job. I mean, the best I ever seen. So instead of taking it to the shop, having them tell me 300 things wrong with it, hey, the mobile mechanic just pull up, and that's the man to go to.
Was the technician transparent, or was he trying to keep you away from the scene?
Oh, he was very transparent. Wanted me to be hands-on because I wanted to, retired Navy. So I'm thankful for him for that.
We thank you for your service too, sir. Is there anything else you want us to know?
Nah,
or
just
the customers to know?
every time I need something done in one of these cars, I'm gonna call you, man.
All right. This is Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down straight to the point. The customer spoke for himself. Everything was live. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and please leave some positive comments. It's very hot out here, guys. That's why I'm kind of talking kind of slow. But I'm getting everybody's air conditions, and happy wife, happy life.